Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change name on Toon Blast. So let's get started. First, launch the Toon Blast game. Tap on the settings option from the top right corner of your screen. Now, locate the change name option and tap on it. Here, enter your new name and tap on the continue button. Again, enter your new name and tap on the continue button. Finally, tap on the yes button and save your changes. And this is how you can change name on Toon Blast. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.